Okay, next. The local weather forecaster says no rain and his record is two-thirds accuracy of prediction. But the Federal Meteorological Service predicts rain and their record is 3/4. With no other data available, what is the chance of rain? Okay, so ano daw yung chance ng record? Ito lang yung pagbabasihan. Okay? So, bali ganito. Kailangan muna natin makompute yung probability na uulan based sa mga binanggit nila, based sa ano nila, sa predictions nila. So, um, okay, so how do we define yung probability na uulan? Okay, so sabi kasi nung local weather forecaster, local, tawagin ko lang local, tawagin ko lang federal. Sabi ng local, wala daw ulan. So para umulan, kailangan yung local is wrong, no? Para umulan, di ba? Kasi sabi niya, hindi daw uulan eh. O di, ang probability na uulan is kapag mali siya. And at the same time, yung federal tama. Okay? That's the probability that it will rain. No? So, how do we compute that? Okay? So, probability na yung local wrong at yung federal ay tama ay equal. So, di ba pag end, pwede mong i-multiply yung mga probability. So, ano ba yung probability na mali yung local? Sabi kasi dito, two-thirds yung accuracy sa prediction niya. So, ang mali niya is 1 minus two-thirds. Di ba? Yun yung mali. Tapos yung federal tama, sabi kasi nila, uulan, o di, ito yung probability na natatama sila. So, three-fourths. Okay? So, pag kinumpute yan, ang probability na uulan ay one-fourth. Okay? Next. Computin din natin yung probability na, hindi pa ito yung sagot ha. Okay, hindi pa ito yung sagot. Kumbaga, itong nakuha natin, ito lang yung probability na tama, na mali yung local, tapos tama yung federal. Okay? Kumbaga, base sa kanila, yan yung magiging probability na uulan. No? Pero yung totoong mangyayari, hindi pa yan. No? So, ngayon, computin naman natin yung probability na hindi uulan. Okay? So, paano yon? So, magbabaliktad lang. Kung hindi uulan, si local, tama. And si federal, mali. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang probability na yung local is right and federal is wrong would be two-thirds probability na hindi uulan kasi yun yung sabi ng local at two-thirds yung accuracy na tama siya. And then, yung probability na mali si federal is 1 minus three-fourths. Okay? At kapag kinompute yan, that will give you 1/6. Okay? And then, ang idea is that yung total probability is dapat um, yung probability ng rain or probability na mali yung local and tama yung federal plus probability na tama yung local and mali yung federal. Kumbaga, yan yung kumbaga lahat ng scenario, no? So, ibig sabihin, this is equal to 1/4 plus 1/6. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung probability na uulan is basically yung probability na mali si si local, tama si right, divided by the total possible outcomes. Ito yung desired event divided by the total outcomes. And that gives us okay, 3/5. And that is our answer. Okay, so that is letter A.